All right, this is Chaotic Crypto, where we defy tyranny. It's a weekly update. Kind of restructuring my schedule and my life a little bit. I want to try to at least do one good post a week, and probably on the weekend, and maybe one during the week. I just can't do it every day. I'm too busy with such a work and job and doing the music thing. Trying to get the beach bod back for summertime, but yeah, so what we got Bitcoin. We're at 68,863. It's been trying to break above 6970K. Nice. The last week or so. We're going to take a little closer look at it here. And I did add the VPVR setting. That's a really nice indicator. Each of these levels is just the volume for that price range. And it kind of shows you support and resistances. And obviously, we don't really have any resistance anymore, but we do have support. Now, I am expecting a retest of 58, if not 40, 50K. There's really strong support at 40, 46, 48, and 58. And I think a test of 58, again, is probably pretty likely, if not down to 50. I'm going to say everyone is just really hyped. The meme coins have just really been running extremely hard. There's just a lot of fluff in the space. We'll take a look at Fear and Greed Index. Where are we at? I believe I had it somewhere. Well, I thought I had it open. Fear and Greed, Fear and Greed, Fear and Greed. Here it goes. Okay. Yeah, we're down to 79, still extreme greed. I mean, there are two scenarios. Basically, we could break above in the next couple days, if not during that next week, and get back up to higher levels. Or we correct. And I really want us to correct so we kind of nullify maybe the left translation cycle. And a left translation cycle, we might be looking at a short end of bull run at the end of this year, beginning of next. And generally, crypto bull runs last about year and a half, 2 years. And we are just starting ours, so we'd only have a year, since we really want this thing to cool off. I've already kind of given my 2 cents about it, but, I think the middle of March, I think there's going to be some. The thing is about Bitcoin now is so connected to the stock market. And if the stock market starts seeing some kind of pullback, then Bitcoin's going to follow that simply because, let's see. Because if you look at the stock market, it's pretty overheated. I mean, I don't see it's overheated, but it's just it's definitely it's been running hot. Let's see. Look at the SPX. The NASDAQ is really where I was seeing. Yeah, I mean, we're just running really hot. I think a correction down to the previous high is certainly in the cards. And I think if that happens, then Bitcoin will follow, since the ETFs and the stock market are what's propelling this whole run, not retail so much. That means if stock market has a scare or pull back real hard, that means the ETFs will pull back hard as well. I think they go hand in hand with the NASDAQ. So I think we're going to get some kind of pullback. Beware of the Ides of March. We have 5 days for that. I think there's going to be some kind of correction. Now, I could be wrong and we move on up. Yeah, but I think the meme coins have really just run really hard. And usually when they start running hard, correction is on the horizon. And it's just getting a little bit ridiculous out there, to be 100% honest. All right, let's see what's going on. The day we're actually getting a pullback. Gala. So there is a gaming narrative forming. So it's possible that the AI sector may cool off, and then maybe that will spill into the gaming sector. Gala Games is one of my big go-tos. I'm pretty big proponent of Gala. I've seen their CEO talk a few times, and Yeah, I think decentralized gaming. I think blockchain gaming. That's going to be certainly going to be a narrative. Pith running pretty good, going to all-time highs. Pith is basically the link of this cycle for Solana. I think this thing could probably, it's 83 cents right now. Let's see. Let's take a look. It's kind of hard to go for price predictions. Let's see. It's a little tough to do price predictions when the coin hasn't really had much history, really. So so all we have is this cycle. Strong support, 57 cents. 61 cents, 68 cents. And it did make a pop up, but it got rejected from 88 cents, and we're at 81 cents right now. So it's just really hard to know where this thing's going to go. But one thing we can look at is the market cap. So, yeah, this is Kraken. I've been using that for my trading, charting analysis, really kind of enjoying that. But most of the time I use TradingView or CoinGecko. Let's see. Igon. So look at Pith. I'm kind of curious just where it's at on the number 99. I mean, I can see this being a top 50, 25 coin, so get a 10x in the market cap from here, more than likely. So $8 plus a double in the market cap. I mean, you could probably look at 20 to 25, maybe even $50. I mean, it's definitely on a run, and you got to think it's on the Solana blockchain. Solana is at about 150. I think it might have a 5 to 10x from here. This will follow that. So I'd say minimal $8 to $10 for Pith. So a 10x from here over the this bull run, however long it lasts. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick check-in. Really, I'm actually in a bit of a rush, unfortunately. But just beware, be wary of where things are going to be going. I think, I really just think we're going to bounce around here for a little longer and then pull back. But we may get one more pop up, a fake out, maybe even a 71, 72, and then pull down. And you got to think we're very exhausted on the MACD on the daily, all the way up to the previous, the highest point, really. Let's take the 4-hour real quick. It's not showing me much. Daily, do the 3-day. I'm not seeing much on the 3-day. It's just running hot. This is the weekly. Weekly is definitely running hot. Yeah, we just need to cool down. We'll see what happens. Hang in there, hot along. We'll check back in the middle of this week if I see any developments. See what happens. All right, peace.